The evolution of all-terrain continues with the AT32 All-Terrain Directional Drill. The perfect combination of size and performance, the AT32 is bursting at the seams with power. Equipped with a Tier 4 Stage 5 compliant Cummins diesel engine and 155 horsepower, the AT32 packs performance into a sleek, operator-focused package. Push your cutting edge harder with 32,000 pounds of thrust and pullback. Not to mention the 4,200 foot-pounds of rotational torque and 1,200 foot-pounds of inner torque will unearth new levels of performance. Plus, the 70 GPM fluid pump supplies you with an abundance of drilling fluid for the best production downhole. But it doesn't stop there. The unique add-a-pipe design allows you to manually add pipe when low, keeping your job and your crew moving. Add in our innovative Switchback HDD tooling system to help you eliminate lost revenue by making tooling changes easier than before. And the extremely low sound power makes the AT32 perfect for urban job sites. Built from direct customer feedback, the AT32 is an operator's dream. With industry-leading visibility and a best-in-class HDD cab, including an ergonomic operator station, a heated seat with adjustable suspension, increased legroom, 2 LED screens, and a real-time carriage position indicator. All designed to keep drillers comfortable and productive during long hours on the job. Say hello to the future of all-terrain performance, the Ditch Witch AT32, a machine engineered to change everything.